Hi, my name is Ruth Williams. I am a Program Development Supervisor for Grand Canyon University, and we are at Exercise Science Day. Here at Exercise Science Day, students are going to a bunch of different sessions, learning from cadavers and going to our body in motion, where they get to learn about some of the best ways to protect their body when they are exercising and some corrective exercises.
Hi, my name is Kim Rogers. I'm the biomedical sciences teacher and athletic trainer at Mountain Ridge High School in Glendale, Arizona. Today I brought my students to the GCU Exercise Science and Nutrition Day to provide them with some experiences and learning more what various allied health profession careers are available, as well as what GCU has to offer potential students.
We are so excited for this event today. We have faculty running sessions and students talking about their experience and their time in the exercise science programs. We have some really good equipment and instruments that students get to learn off of and use in their labs here at GCU, and we get to showcase that here during Exercise Science Day.
Thank you, GCU, for putting this on for our students. The opportunity to bring kids in a nice, safe, secure environment, having it be very localized in where we're moving through is great. Having them see some of the classrooms that they would potentially be in, see some of the lab experiences is a great opportunity for students, and the more campuses they can see as they're planning for their college careers is a benefit to them.